So, today our topic is about a relationship between the gut microbes and the brain. Basically, a human body contains the trillions of the microorganisms. So, these microorganisms are called the microbiota. So, most of the microbiota live in the gut. So, the gut and the microbes affect the brain functions and it influences the mood and the emotions. So, what is the microbiota? Basically, the microbiota are the microorganisms living in the body. They include the bacteria, the viruses, and some of the fungi. So, it mostly found in the intestine. They start developing from the birth and they support overall our health. So there is importance of the gut microbiota. For example, it help in the digestions of the food. It produce the important vitamins, strengthen the immune system, protect against the harmful bacteria, and support the body function. So there are different types of the gut microbiota. So basically there are some beneficial bacteria that help the body, some harmful bacteria that cause the diseases, some neutral bacteria that have no effect, and some too much bad bacteria that has some harmful effect, and some healthy gut needs balance bacteria. So now the question is, what is the gut brain axis? Basically, it is a connection between the gut and the brain. It works in a two direction. The gut send the message to the brain, and the brain also affect the gut activity. So it control the emotions and the mood. It affect our behavior. So, what is the communication pathway between the gut and the microbe? For example, in our nervous system, it sends the signal to our vagus nerve which connect the gut and the brain. So basically, the vagus nerve is the connection between the brain and the gut. So there will be some hormones help in their communication. The immune system also play a role in their communications. Some neurotransmitters send the message and it all systems that will be work together. So there is some neurotransmitters in the gut. For example, gut bacteria produce the serotonin hormones. So basically, the serotonin control the happiness. So dopamines control our motivations, and the GABA reduce our anxiety. So most of the serotonin is made in the gut. Psychologically well-being, for example, psychological well-being means the mental health. It includes the emotional stability, it involves the positive thinking, it helps in the stress management, and it improves the daily function. So microbiota and the mental health have a special relationships. For example, healthy gut can improve our mood. It supports the brain development. It improves the memory and the focus. It reduces the mental stress. It balances our emotions and it protects the mental health. So microbiota and stress. Basically, stress disturb the gut bacteria. It poor the gut increases stress. The stress hormones increase, so the gut lining become the weak. So the healthy gut reduce the stress effect. Balance improve the stress control. Microbiota and the depression. Depression is linked with the gut imbalance. Low serotonin affect the mood. Inflammation increase the depression or risk. Gut and brain signals become the weak and the healthy gut improve our mood. There is also a relationship between the microbiota and the anxiety. For example, gut imbalance increase the anxiety, nervous system become overactive, fear response to increase. So the healthy gut calm the brain and anxiety symptoms will become reduce. Diet and the gut health. For example, fiber rich foods feed good bacteria. Fruits and vegetables are helpful. Fermented foods can improve the gut. Yogurt support the probiotics. For example, junk foods can damage the gut balance, and the healthy diet support our brain. So, what is difference between the probiotics and the prebiotics? Basically, the probiotics are the good bacteria that are found in the yogurt and the supplements. So, Prebiotics are food for the bacteria. They improve the gut balance, they support the mental health, and they improve the digestion. So, lifestyle factors, for example, proper sleep can support our gut health. Exercise can improve the gut diversity. Stress management is important. Smoking damage the gut bacteria. So, the healthy routine support the brain, and the lifestyle affect our mental health. Some effects of the antibiotics. For example, antibiotics kill the harmful bacteria. They also kill the good bacteria. So the good balance become the disturbed. So the digestion's problem may occur, and the mood changes has happened. And careful use is very much important. Some scientific evidence, for example, research show that the gut bacteria have a specific link. So the studies support that the microbiota role have depressions linked with the gut imbalance. So the evidence is increasing and the field is growing in the psychology. So, what is the importance of the healthy gut? Basically, healthy gut improve our mood. It increase the focus and attention. It improve the emotional control. It reduce the mental disorders. It support the positive behaviors, and it improve our quality of life. So, as a concluding marks, a gut microbiota affect our mental health. So the gut brain axis control the emotions. So the diet affects the gut balance, and the lifestyle support the gut health. So the healthy gut improve our well-being, and the healthy gut can lead to the healthy mind. So this is all about the relationship between the gut and microorganisms. Thank you so much.